Biotech firms are generating more data than ever, but what's on the list? Sensitive intellectual property, patient records, research findings, and proprietary formulas. But where is that data stored? In today's digital landscape, hybrid and multi-cloud environments are essential, yet they introduce significant security risks. So this is to the C-suite, because you guys have a huge challenge, because your cloud strategy isn't just about storage, it's about securing the company's future. Today, I'm going to break down the top security risks that biotech firms face in the cloud, on your network, and what you can do to mitigate that huge risk. So let's dive into it. First on the list, insider threats. The human factor in cloud security isn't just about firewalls and encryption and software to protect the endpoint. It's about people. Biotech firms are especially vulnerable to insider threats, whether it's intentional or accidental. Employees, contractors, and even former staff with lingering access can expose your data. Implementing zero trust architecture and 24/7 security monitoring is going to be key to mitigating this risk. All right, in the number 2 spot, we have ransomware attacks, and this is a growing threat in the cloud-based data. Ransomware is evolving, and biotech companies are prime targets. But why? Because you already know your data is valuable, and cyber criminals know it. Without the right backup and recovery strategy, a ransomware attack could cost millions and disrupt critical research. Cloud security must include a network security team, encrypted backups, multi-factor authentication, and endpoint detection and response solutions, or what we call EDR. In the number 3 spot is compliance, because it's a huge challenge for many because it's that hidden regulatory pitfall. Where your cloud stored data resides matters more than you think. Different countries have strict data compliance laws, and biotech firms handling patient data or clinical trials must comply with regulations like HIPAA, GDPR, and FDA guidelines. Biotech firms need to partner with a SOC provider that is knowledgeable with compliance frameworks and cloud infrastructure. All right, in the number 4 spot, we have cloud misconfigurations is the silent killer of data security. A misconfigured cloud environment can expose sensitive data to the internet without anyone noticing until it's too late. Security misconfigurations account for nearly 80% of cloud breaches. But what can leadership do? You can request regular security audits, and enforcing access controls can significantly reduce this type of risk. All right, last on the list, lack of visibility and monitoring is a blind spot for cybersecurity. When data is spread across multiple cloud providers, maintaining visibility can be a huge challenge. Without centralized monitoring, threats can go undetected for months. So you need to implement security information and event management, AI-driven anomaly detection, and having a 24/7 security operations center that will monitor your network will ensure your data remains protected. The cloud isn't going anywhere, and neither are the security risks. As a biotech executive, securing your hybrid and multi-cloud environments isn't just an IT problem, it's a business requirement. Because what is the cost of inaction? Data breaches, compliance fines, loss of intellectual property, and worse, reputation damage. By taking proactive measures, you can protect your firm's most valuable asset, which is your data. If you found this information valuable, stay tuned for more executive level discussions on cybersecurity best practices in the biotech industry. See you next time. Like, share, or leave us a comment.